Workspace Skills is a set of interactive tutorials for students, teachers, and staff to learn how to use Google Workspace for education efficiently and effectively, being rewarded through micro-badging along the way. We designed interactive tutorials with students in mind and aligned them to the Google Certified Educator Level 1 exam, so teachers can also use them for professional development. Everything is integrated seamlessly with Google Classroom. Teachers or admins create the how to use as assignments in Classroom and can try them out using the preview thumbnails. The interval scheduler is handy to use if you'd like to schedule the tutorials to automatically distribute on a daily, weekly, or custom basis. Each tutorial is unique, with intuitive scaffolding to support the learners as they are guided through real-world examples of tool usage. Users obtain competence and efficiency scores and can see the most common and efficient routes. All of the badges are stored in the passports and serve as a map of each user's digital skills journey. They can be personalized and accessed anytime at passport.howdoyou.net. As each of the strands are completed, the overall badges of bronze, silver, and gold are awarded. Of course, there are also celebrations upon completion. Learners' top competency scores are auto-magically imported as grades in the classroom. Learners can try the how to use as many times as they like. To improve those efficiency scores, try different routes and learn new tricks.